if it's working. CoinD get info. There you have it, fellas. Our blockchain is up and running. We have one connection. Here we go. Setting up a blockchain on your desktop. So basically, the first thing you need is Docker. If you don't have that already, go install it. Fastest way for Mac brothers is brew cask install Docker. This will install it in your applications folder. You hit it, you'll have a security thing. If you're running on Ubuntu or CentOS, use the standard way. All right, go into the tab here. I'm going to give you this link right here into the description. Now, we're on the Docker tab, and if we go down a bit, you're going to see a command called docker pull and the name of the Docker image we want. And so basically, we're going to open up a terminal, pull it, and it's going to start downloading. It could take 1-2 minutes. I already got it, so it's saying, hey, you already got it. You already got the latest version, so you're good. Now, Docker images, in order to see that, so here it is. All right, about 700 megabytes. All right, next step, what we need to do is get inside that Docker. So basically, we need to run it. Now, we need to run, and let's see, run, give it a name. This is like a name just for easy reference. I'm gonna call it WICC. And next step is which -D basically to what to run /D. And go ahead and choose that image ID. And it gives us a hash back, basically confirming that it was successful. Now, Docker PSA, which shows us that container that was created just now. And here's the container, new container ID that we just created. Now, we can't do anything yet. We need to get inside that container. So down here, you'll see enter into the Docker container. Basically, to do that, we run this command, except change the container ID. Now, to do that, just Docker execute it, name of the container ID, and bash, little shortcut there. Right, we're in. You see we have CoinD. Now, to play with it, a known command is to get info about the blockchain is CoinD get info. I need to learn to type get info. Okay. It's saying that you must set, basically you need to set a configuration file, and there's not one currently. So it needs to be in this directory. So what we're going to do is touch, create it. So that creates the file. Now we need to edit the file, right? Now that file should consist of this configuration. Now there's one thing about this configuration we're going to change. We're going to copy it, but there's one thing we're going to change. On the top, this net type, it says regtest, but we don't want regtest. We want testnet. So let's delete regtest and type in test, right? Now save it. And now CoinD, and which runs it in the background, runs the server in the background, and so you can continue using the session using the terminal that you're currently using right now. Okay. Now it's loading. Okay, I'm gonna get out of that. Now let's test if it's working. CoinD get info. There you have it, fellas. Our blockchain is up and running. We have one connection.